Hi, my name is Günther Johann. I'm a member of the project team. I want to introduce you to part 4 of our work. My topics are software features presentation, presentation of the software, and lesson learned. Software feature presentation. Our product is based on form and reports. Every department is using its own interface, so there is no need to use access identification. In the next slides you will get an overview about the use of the product. The vendor. For our clients, it is important to handle the vendors via a form, and he can insert it to the system. So as you can see here, you type in the vendor name and go on to the next one. The order will be handled also via the form, and in the slide you will see all the details that are needed to handle an order. You have to insert the order identification or reference, so this time was ordered by me, the order date, where you have done it, and then the status. Normally you start with allowance, and then you can put in here all the material with how many units you want to add. You go on for the next one, and this all includes in this order. For the process of the order, it is needed to change also the status, so that you don't need to open the whole order again. We made a separate form where you can see who has ordered and the date, so that you have your reference, and then you can change the status by whatever you want. To get a quick overview about the status of the different orders, we implemented the report. As you can see here, you get the the order reference by the time was me on the 4th of January 2011, and the status was collected. Order by Dominic on the 11th of January, and he was sent it already to the vendor. For the inventory, it's needed that we know on which warehouse we have how many units and what the kind of material. So as you can see, we have 3 warehouses declared, and one is Graz, Innsbruck and Vienna. We have a material of, the name is Blue Cow, the internal number is 1, the vendor is Blue Cow, and we know that in the store we have 200 units in Graz, 100 units in Innsbruck and 200 units in Wien. As well, we want to know where we have a minimum number of units, so we need to reorder new material. As you can see here, we have jackets with the internal number of 6 from the vendor Verona in the warehouse of Innsbruck with a low number of 15. And we have a red snapper from Weinrode in the warehouse Innsbruck, which is already on 12. So on this kind, we know that we have to reorder here again new material. Lesson learned. The things what we came up is it has to be in a group, so it's quite good on strong teamwork, coordinating. It needs one group leader who is arranging parts, splitting them up and assign it to the single members, have a good overview about the project and coordinate it.